They keep mute. Who's that person? They irritate just students. Anusri, MD Tawfiq. Keep mute. No, you're not keeping me. No problem. I will remove. Okay, next topic, dynamics of behavior. In psychology, second topic, dynamics of behavior. See, dynamics means changes. Dynamics of behavior means changes of behavior. How that human behavior changes. Here, human behavior is a dynamic phenomenon. Phenomenon means particular situation. Means human behavior is a dynamic phenomenon which changes due to factors such as new experiences. Whenever changing of the human behavior, that time they will get of the new experiences and learning, social cultural variation, biological and psychological process. In case, see not changing, see some psychological peoples, means psychiatric peoples. Then psychiatric people's behavior, how like mentally they don't know how to learn also, they don't know how to mingle in the society, how they will do the participate, this and all don't know. Because of psychiatric patient, they can't change of the behavior, one behavior, that behavior like a abnormal, that is a psychiatric patient. But here, human behavior dynamic phenomenon which changes due to factors. Sometimes they will change of the factors, they will get to the new experiences and they will learn, and they will social cultural variations, they know about society cultural variations and biological and psychological process. This and all have to the each person human behavior like. And hence the dynamics of human behavior are grouped into following of three major categories. In human behavior, like a following of the three major human behavior, like a qualification, like a how like a good mentality and good behavior, good habits, good learning, good speak to others, like that have to the human behavior. Main here, dynamics of human behavior, changes of the human behavior, like a three types of, like a three major categories will change, like a biological or psychological dynamics, like two only, two categories only. Biologically, how changes of the behavior each human. Here, biological systems dynamics represent a prime example of complex behavior, provide a powerful motivation and application domain for computational modeling. Domain for means like application modeling. You can modeling, you can application of the computational modeling. See, example, in case I'm not encouraging, I'm not giving supporting to the student, means students very lazy, students not studying properly, because of I am not giving education, I am not giving supporting, and in your family members also nobody giving supporting, nobody encouraging, have very biologically. Example,
Ma'am, sound is not coming.
provide for
Ma'am, your sound is not audible.
Sound disturb, ma'am. Sound disturb, ma'am.
You can provide to the each person motivation area. Your voice
Ma'am.
clear. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? My voice not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Okay, now okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now not audible.
Audible, ma'am. Now.
Hello.
Audible, ma'am.
Audible,
Now
ma'am.
audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. See here, we can give to the provide a powerful motivation. Whenever motivating to the person, the person also very computational modeling. Computational means like a related computer. They know about everything in the computer. Means some people don't know about the computer. In some people so don't know how to operate a computer also. But whenever powerful motivation of the person immediately participating in the and searching of in the computer how to maintain also this and all they will change to the behavior. Once you are seeing mobile in YouTube and Google means you also something you learn you also changes of the mind behavior. Like this also something modeling seeing in the computer to the each person. That's why sometimes they will change of the behavior. That is one of the like a biological dynamic. Main here of central importance is the learning problem. This means central importance like a learning problem. Why means how can we reconstruct information about the underlying state of the system from noisy measurement? See, in case in society people are not giving any information to any persons means they can't learn properly. Yes, sir. In case I'm not giving notes, in case I'm not taking class, means how you learning? That is one of the learning problem. No? Why you getting learning problem? Because of madam not taking class or not giving notes. Because that's why you are getting of the learning problem. Here also some behavior, some human people they get the learning problem because of we reconstruct the information. Reconstruct means like they can't do the proper information to the related system. That's why they'll get to the learning problem. Here main this is often an essential first step to further modeling and analysis. Behavior want to change means is one of the first step to further modeling analysis. Can analysis of the model. Once modeling analysis means you are observing your changes of the behavior. That's why how to change of the behavior in the human means first of all they will do the modeling and analysis of the particular situation. And to attempt to predict to control system behavior. They attempt to predict means they will adapting and controlling of system behavior. In case one student doing of the mistake, the behavior very abnormal student. That time I'm analyzing of the student behavior. I'm motivating to the student don't do like this. You don't get bad name like this. I'm motivation and he will also changes of the behavior. Like this here also you can analyze of the huge human and you can control of the system behavior. Once they're doing of the abnormal behavior means immediately you can control of the system behavior. And the complex behavior observed in the biological dynamic often the result of non-trivial network. Now, here means see complex behavior observed means continually you can observe of the each person. How means how they doing of the behavior. Some people doing of the abnormal behavior. Na? That's why immediately you can observe to the biological dynamics often the result of non-trivial network. Non-trivial network means they're using of the real thoughts like a computing power means they're using of the real thoughts and they're using of the good power in the situation. That's why immediately they will change of the behavior. Whenever they have the good thoughts, that time automatic they'll solve up the problem. They will put the good behavior. Non-trivial network means like a real thoughts. An interaction between individual components of the biological system. Interaction between individual means between two individuals you can maintain of the interaction like one of the biological system. Who is good? This person good or that person good? Like the some questions, otherwise some tasks, otherwise you can give to the some participant within the games. Like this, you can keep up the anything interaction between individuals. That time easily you can identification of the between individually how they have the behavior. And this is a true at a variety of scales and level of abstractions and from physiology, neuroscience, molecular interactions, and within a single cell. See here, abstracts means existing thoughts. No thoughts properly in the mind. Means this biological dynamics very true one because of how they have the behavior. That behavior is a reality. That's what they'll call up the biological dynamics. This is one of the true and variety of scales and level of abstractions. Variety of scales means variety of different activities and level of abstractions. Level of abstractions means like a thoughts. They relate in thoughts and sometimes they'll exiting of the thoughts. Abstraction means thoughts from physiology, neuroscience, molecular interaction within a single cell. Single cell. Cells is there in your body. That cell is one cell only doing functioning and total maintaining of structure and growth and development of the body because of one single cell also. Here also one single human behavior also they change of the physiology, neuroscience like related nerves and molecular means molecular interaction they will immediately interact with the all others. Like this have to the good ideas to the each human behavior. One good behavior only changes of the anything. Same like this, one cell also main changes of the physiology, neuroscience, and molecular interactions. Here, main molecular interactions is like a molecules, atoms and carbons. This and all is there now. That total changes of the one single cell only. Like this here also, one person only changes of the behavior to the all persons. Like this have the biological dynamics. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, that is a biological dynamics. Next, psychological dynamics. Main here psychological dynamics. Dynamics of are the underlying causes of change or determination of behavior. Means how to you can identification of the person changes. Means here cause how they changing of the behavior means change or determination of human behavior. How they changes of the behavior just you can do the determine. Determine means identify. You can identify of the human behavior and human behavior is a dynamic phenomenon. Phenomenon means particular situation, particular difficult time, how they changes of the human behavior, which changes due to factors such as how they changes of the behavior, how you can identify means you can identify the new experiences. Some people will get the new experiences that time also you can easily identify. Okay, this person changes. Example, I will conduct exam. One exam, first exam, nobody will get the proper marks. And next, second exam, I conduct how your changes. You're nicely struggling, studying and getting good marks. That's why that time I will observe changes of the mind and changes of the like learning capacity also. Like this, I can understand. Here also how the changes of the behavior easily determined means whoever have the new experiences and learning and socio-cultural variations and biologically and psychologically process having means automatic you can observe in the psychologically. They will mind total change and thoughts, ideas, thinking. This and all change means automatic like a psychologically they will change of the human behavior. This is a psychological dynamic. Next one. Factors affecting human behavior. Main here, factors affecting human behavior. First one, genetics. How they changes of the behavior means like example, in case in my family anybody have to the abnormal behavior. Same that behavior getting to the my family another person. In case parents have to the any abnormal behavior means that also same getting to the children's now sometimes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because of this is one of the genetic problems. See, in case anybody have to the any health problem in the parents and like that the related genes also they will get to the children's also. Same here, human behavior, some people's abnormal, normal, they will get to the by genes only. Main genetics, patterns of behavior are influenced by inheritance from parents. In case children have to the abnormal behavior means automatic this behavior have to the parents. That's why this behavior receiving to children's receiving to the from parents. That genetics. In case your family members very height your parents, Children's also same height. That is one of the genes. In case some parents like face features, face feature and habits, like total will get to the children's because of genes. Here also any human behavior affecting problem by related genes only. That parents whoever have miss that problem, that behavior only affecting to the children's. That is one of the factor. Next, early childhood experiences. Some people simply will get the early child experiences, how they will maintain family, how they will maintain the behavior in between two persons. Like that early time only they will getting to the good experiences, because of like that have to the knowledge and powerful skills have to the parents also. Sometimes otherwise they self only they will maintaining of the good experiences about the human behavior. That's why early child time only they will get to the good experiences about the anything. And next to social norms. Like social norms means like a social beliefs, like a shape our behavioral and attitudes. Every individual manipulate his or her behavior to best fit in with others. In case example, I am a good girl. Example, I am a good girl means anybody will tell, see, she is a very good girl. You also maintain like that. Like that, some people will tell to the other persons. These people showing up the other person, you see that behavior very good, and so many will tell to the others. Example, see in your family, ma, you're not studying properly, means your mothers or father will tell, na, you see neighbors how they're studying. Like that comparison, na, like this also some people's will behavior and attitudes. Every individual manipulating his or behavior to best fit in with others. They will manipulating to the others people behavior. That time you anybody telling like this means that people also will change up the behavior. Why again telling me, in case I'm not have the good behavior, like that they self only they will think. That's why they will see up the others behavior, they will also manipulating others behavior. These people are also manipulating. That's why here also whatever society whatever going on, like that people's also manipulating changes within the society, like the social norms. Next, core faith and social culture. Core faith means difficulty time. In difficulty, faith and social cultural mean here shape our religious faith. Means religious faith. Our religious, I will do faithfully. Means I will maintain like a faithfully. Your religious, you are maintaining of your faithfully. Like this, shape our religious faith, philosophical thinking, and emotional well-being. Emotions such as shame and guilty connected to moral living. Means particular related social culture, means my culturally I will follow up my cultural activities, and I will follow up the emotional and thinking related my culture only I can follow. Once not following of the your culture, you are following another culture, means that time your changes of the your behavior. Once in your family, you are in home, na, your behavior very different in home. Once you are coming here means here also different behavior. Means in home adapting that behavior. Once you coming in society, in your institution, college, that time your behavior change. But you can't change up your cultural activities. I mean your cultural religious activities. Here also that persons will maintaining up the human behavior good, like a religious and good culturally. They will maintain. They have the emotional and thinking and like a emotional, like a well-being. They will very always well-being. They'll connecting like a shame. Some people have to the shameless. Some people get the guilty feeling. Like this have to the human behavior. Some people's not have the any emotional feelings, not have to the guilty feeling also. Like the different have to the religious behavior. That is one of the. Next one, creativity. This is one of the creativity human behavior. See, in case some people, in case I'm giving any one thing, means one task giving means your creativity. You are using of your creativity and complete of the task. Some people no using of the creativity, they can't complete of the task. And one more example, in case in college going on of the function, how you will arrange of the function means you are using up your creativity. Oh, like this better. In case like this doing means not good. Like this, okay, super. Like that, your mind only you are creating. Like this, one of the behavior. Here also, creativity means in your mind only yourself only pushes people past their comfort zone. You can push means you can motivate of the people's like a comfort zone. It means comfort zone only you can push and you can motivate of the people's. Whenever motivate na, automatic the people's creativity some ideas like this have to do some people's human behavior, creativity, human behavior, and attitude. Some people have the attitude behavior, ego behavior. Some people have no like that behavior. Here attitude is an expression of favor of disfavor. Some people's attitude, people's facial expressions, favorable and disfavorable, and likes and dislikes. Your favorite hero telling me, yes, but within months again, not my favorite. Like this, favor and favorable also means supporting, sometimes not supporting, and they will like and sometimes not like. Like this, have to do attitude behavior humans. Means next, dislikes of a person toward a person, place, thing, or event. Some persons don't like of the places, some persons don't like of the other persons, and don't like of the some things, don't like of the event, like a particular any event functions like this programs. Some people don't like of the anything. The way a person behaves depend a lot on how he looks at the situation. Means how they're getting like this means these people showing of the more situation, looking like a more situation means very difficult situation affecting. That's where the behavior like the like that have to the attitude. Example, one person how will get the attitude by getting means because before sometime they were exposing of the so many problems, so many situations time they will getting of the problems. That's why they will adapting like a attitude like that. That's why attitude persons also, the attitude persons have to the sometimes different behavior. That time immediately you can change of the attitude behavior. Like this affecting of the so many factors of the each human. Like this different behavior. Some people have to the emotional behavior, some people not have the emotional, some people showing of the love, some people not showing love, ego, attitude, and motivating guidance supporting. Some people will give, some people not give the guidance support. Like this different they have the problem. Why they have the problem is some related factors. I told now sometimes you'll get to the any abnormal behavior means related genes only, you get the good behavior means related genes only. In early childhood, in school time also, you whatever learning in school time, like that only you have the behavior. And social norms in society, how going on means like that only you have the behavior. Like some cultural activity, some related religious, cultural, and creativity time and attitude time, each person have of the different behavior. Example, yours also, you are in a home now, your behavior very different. Once you coming another places means that time your behavior different. Like this related situation also you can changes of the your behavior. That is like a dynamics of human behavior. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody have doubts? Oh, students, anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Again, I want to take a topic, otherwise tomorrow I will take. Okay, how you written exam before yesterday?
Nice, ma'am.
Oh,
Nice, ma'am.
how many marks?
25.
Don't know, ma'am.
Oh, 25. I will see how many marks you are getting. Anybody getting fail
But ma'am,
marks?
first time we can't able to send an email, ma'am.
You don't know? Email how to send also don't know. Nicely you are using mobile.
No, ma'am. I know very well. But first time can't able to send, ma'am, because the email ID wrong.
Email ID correct only, not wrong.
Every
Okay,
student.
anyway, fast is fast. Next time you can get good marks, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And work weekly once you are attending class, you and Rudra Prasad, Arjun,
What?
Nesha, and Next, who is Nirali Patel?
New student, ma'am.
Okay. Nobody have doubts?
Ma'am.
Samim,
Yes, ma'am.
you have doubts, Samim?
I'm recalling my doubts, ma'am. We previous, ma'am, dynamic and that psychology.
What?
Ma'am, so your presentation, ma'am.
Which one? Now class, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Today presentation. Starting topic you begin that. Start it.
Hmm.
Ma'am, biological one summarize, ma'am, shortly.
Okay. See, first biological means related living organism. Means that related organism only it can change of the behavior. Once, on example, mind organism. Once your brain is a working functionally good means your behavior also good. Once your mindset will change means that time your behavior also will change. That's why related living organism can start of the your behavior. That is a biological dynamics. And one more thing, whoever motivating yours, that time yours also participating of the anything. That is one of the behavior. In case nobody will guidance and nobody will give motivation, supporting means that time different have to the human behavior. Related living organism also they will get of the sometimes abnormal behavior. That is a biological dynamics like a short term. See, in biological